How to fix the Discord overlay not working. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So make sure that you have installed the Discord application on your device. If you have already installed Discord, if you are playing in, then you can follow this all options right here. So what you need to do is there are simply few steps how you can do that. So there are at least 5 solutions right here. So the very first solution is to make sure you have enabled overlay in the Discord. So make sure you have overlay enabled it. How you can enable it is simply go on the Discord and click on the setting icon, which is like a gear icon, and tap on the left panel overlay and make sure the toggle enable in-game overlay is turned on. And now click on games of the left panel under the game and check if you have turned in the game overlay and feature for the game that you are playing. So they are also given the tips and many other solutions as well. Like solution 2 is to run Discord as administrator. Third is disable third-party antivirus app temporarily and disable hardware acceleration in the Discord. So if none of this works, then what you can do is reinstall your Discord. Uninstall it and again install your Discord and then follow all the steps right here, and then you might solve your problem of Discord. So that's how you can do that. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below.